Welcome to this comprehensive module on the Dexcom ONE system. In this video series, we will explore the functionalities, best practices, and advanced tips and tricks for utilizing the Dexcom ONE continuous glucose monitor. Developed by Dexcom, the Dexcom ONE system is gaining popularity as an effective tool for glucose monitoring. It offers a sensor lifespan of 10 days, while the transmitter can be reused for up to 3 months. Using either a dedicated receiver or the Dexcom ONE app on your compatible mobile phone, you will receive a glucose value every 5 minutes. Dexcom ONE can be used in combination with an insulin pump, but it cannot be directly integrated with pumps. As a result, there is no direct data exchange between Dexcom ONE and the insulin pump. Before we delve into the details, it is important to note that the information provided in these videos is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any adjustments to your diabetes therapy. The content of this module has been created by Dr. Inga van Boxler, the founder of Diabetotech and an endocrinologist at the General St. Lucas Hospital in Ghent in Belgium. The material has been reviewed by Professor Dr. Laurent Crenier, head of the Diabetology Clinic at Hôpital Erasme in Brussels, and Kathy van de Moortel, an individual living with type 1 diabetes who used the Dexcom ONE sensor and blogs about her personal journey with type 1 diabetes. Their expertise and perspectives ensure that you receive honest opinions on the pros and cons of the Dexcom ONE sensor. By the end of this module, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the Dexcom ONE system, including the proper technique for inserting and removing the Dexcom ONE sensor, how to initiate the sensor using either the reader or the Dexcom ONE app, configuring and customizing alarm settings to suit your preferences and needs, enabling real-time tracking of sensor data by healthcare providers, connecting the Dexcom ONE sensor to other devices, and valuable tips and tricks to streamline your experience and enhance your daily diabetes management. Whether you are a healthcare provider seeking to better support individuals using the Dexcom ONE system, or an individual preparing for a successful start with the Dexcom ONE sensor, this module will equip you with the knowledge and insights to optimize your usage and improve your overall diabetes management. Good luck on your journey!